How to fix printer not working while using Bitdefender firewall. Depending on the network you are connected to, the Bitdefender firewall may block the connection between your system and another device, such as another PC or a printer. As a result, you may no longer share or print files. In this case, the best solution is to configure Bitdefender to automatically allow connections to and from the respective device, as follows. 1. Open the main Bitdefender interface. 2. Go to the protection window. 3. Click Settings in the firewall module. 4. Go to the Network Adapters tab. Click on the box corresponding to your network adapter and select Home/Office. 5. Go to the Settings tab. 6. Click on Edit Stealth Settings. 7. Set the switch corresponding to your network adapter to off, gray switch. After that, click on OK. 8. Now go to the Rules tab and click Add Rule. 9. In the upper part of the window, activate the switch. Apply this rule to all applications. 10. Click Hide Advanced Settings, then scroll down. 11. Activate the switch custom remote address. Then, under it, type the IP address of the device you want to connect to in its corresponding field. You can also specify the port for which the rule will be available. If you do not specify the port, the rule will apply to all ports. 12. Click Save.